Hello. Well, today I'm going to be looking at a couple of pocket watches that I bought from eBay. They were only cheap. We have this one here, which is a quartz movement, and this one, which is a mechanical. Very similar looking, really, and pretty cheap as well, both of them. First, the quartz one. They both come with very similar chains, the same chain actually. Let's have a look at the quartz one, which is quite light. It has this, it's not engraving, it's pressed, isn't it, in the making of it, which is, I don't know, it's quite nice, I suppose. The chain, a bit cheap, and the links have very sharp edges which tend to catch on any cotton strands you may have on your clothing. It also has numbers on the front, so you can actually see the time without opening it, which is okay. If we do open it, you'll see it's quite a nice face. Got some more patterning on the inside there. The actual watch face it's plastic. I think there is a screen protector on there, I can feel on the edge. But it's light, it feels cheap. The mechanism for opening seems to work sort of okay. I don't know how long it'll last. Maybe it's best not to let it flick open, but to sort of ease it open, should we say. But it's a quartz, so it just keeps time, doesn't it? Yeah, that's the quartz one. But yeah, the fact that you can read the time without opening it. There's no glass or plastic in the hole there. The other one, the mechanical one, feels a lot heavier. Feels like you've got something in your hand. Same chain, same problems with it catching on your clothing. Excuse me. Let's take a look at this one. The same sort of idea with the face. This, as you can see, the numbers stand out more on this one. It's not engraving. I don't know what you call it. The pressing, printing, no, I don't know. Similar. And on the back it goes there as well, and yeah, similar there too. Let's open this one up. It has the same cases, feel very similar. The same markings on the inside, no glass in there. Slightly different face on this one, and you can see the winding mechanism inside. Open that one up next to it. See them both together then. This one also, if I turn it over, you'll see it's an automatic winding, but I have doubts about this because that weight that's supposed to spin round does, but it takes some force to get it moving. I'm sure automatic watches, this weight here, depending on how the watch is tilted, moves with it. And if I just take a little bit of tension on the winder, you'll see that it does move around like the way it really should do, I suppose. But with it being a pocket watch as well, you don't get much movement. It's I mean, it's in your pocket. It's not moving much like it's on your wrist. So the automatic is more of a gimmick, I think, more than anything else. Can't see it doing much. But one thing I will say for it, it keeps great time. I haven't adjusted this in, must be getting on for 2 months now. And it's pretty much spot on. It takes about 20 winds in the morning, and that lasts the whole day and beyond. So, I mean, it has got, if we can focus in on it, it has got jewels in it. Well, are they jewels or are they just little plastic stones? It's quite possible, I suppose, with this. But it's nice to see the mechanism. See it ticking away there. But that automatic wind, in fact, it doesn't feel like there's much weight in it, but I don't think it's doing much. Anyway, that's the two watches, and to be honest, yeah, I definitely prefer the mechanical one. It was a little bit more expensive. I think this was something like, I don't know, about £3, I think. It wasn't much at all. This one, I think, came up around £8. But it's quite a nice little watch, and it's for the money. I mean, and it's a good timekeeper. But these plastic fronts, not so sure about that, how long that'll last. The back sounds like it could be glass. Not sure on that one. Why they didn't make the front the same though. Also, you can actually turn on both of these. You can turn the plastic glass round, which is a bit unnerving. Anyway, this is the one I'll be using more, so this one can go back in the drawer. Okay, it's a quartz watch. It's pretty accurate, but I don't know, I like the idea of a mechanical watch. Plus it just feels like you're getting more for your money, because you can guarantee, I haven't looked inside, but the inside of this is going to be the standard quartz movement that are used in a lot of Chinese watches. Be just a little movement in the middle, little quartz movement behind there, I bet. Okay, that's the two pocket watches from China. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.